A very cheerful good morning to my dear children. Welcome to the online computer class. Children, in the previous video, we started lesson 7, Tux Paint. In that video, we discussed how to open Tux Paint, screen of Tux Paint, starting a new drawing, and coloring the drawing. I hope you all enjoyed doing this fun activity, isn't it, children? Okay, today we will learn some more tools of Tux Paint. Paint tool. Paint tool is used to draw and paint anything that you like. It is similar to the brushes tool in Microsoft Paint. Lines tool. Lines tool is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. It is similar to the paint tool. The lines tool has the same brush shapes in the sub toolbox as in the paint tool. So children, are you all ready to see how these tools help us in creating beautiful drawings? Now we will do the practical of Tux Paint. So let us start. So children, first of all, you will open Tux Paint either by clicking on Start button and type Tux Paint in the search box and press Enter key, or on the desktop, if Tux Paint icon is there, double click on this icon and Tux Paint will be opened. This is the first window of Tux Paint. Now children, you are familiar with the screen of Tux Paint as we have discussed in our previous video. This is the tools bar containing a variety of tools. This is the selector with the different designs and styles. You can press down arrow or up arrow and choose any of the style of your choice. This is the colors palette. It displays a variety of colors. And this is the center area. It is known as a canvas or the drawing area. Now children, you will click on Open Tool. Do you remember? We have filled beautiful colors in this drawing in our previous video, isn't it? Now children, select it and click on Open button. See, this picture has appeared on the canvas. In this way, you can open the previous saved drawing. Now, to start with a new drawing, you will click on New Tool. It will give you different colorful backgrounds. You will choose a white background and click on Open. Now children, we will start with the Paint tool. Paint tool is already selected. Now, this is the sub toolbox of the Paint tool. It contains various styles of brushes. Now, we will see how the first style works. Take red color. See, this is the freehand brush tool. We have taken the first style of the brush. Now, if I click on the second style, see what is the difference? Yes. Now I choose the third style. Now children, the difference is of the thickness. As in when I change these brushes, the thickness is increased, isn't it? Have you observed? Yes. Now children, you'll click on Undo button. Undo button, it undoes the previous performed actions. Now, there are few designed brush styles. You can choose this and see how it appears like this. If I select the other one, yes, these are the designed brush patterns. Right? I hope it is clear to everyone. Now click on undo. Now children, let's start with lines tool. It will display the sub toolbox of the lines tool. Children, have you noticed that the sub toolbox of paint tool and lines tool is almost similar? The same styles were appearing when we were using paint tool, isn't it? Now, the first line style, let's see. Take blue color. Now, press left mouse button and drag the mouse in forward direction. Okay. Now release the click. Yes, it has drawn a straight line. Now select the second line style. In the same way, press left mouse button and drag it in the forward direction. See. Now again, children, here the difference is of the thickness. Have you noticed? We are getting thick lines when we are using these tools. Okay. The first line style is thin line. All right. So these are all the straight lines. Clear? This is a thin line, and as and when I am choosing the other styles, the thickness is increased. Fine. Again, children, you can click on undo button. It undoes your previous action performed. Now, children, there are few designed straight patterns. These, if I click on this arrow, now press left mouse button and drag this to the forward direction in this way and release the click. Now observe the change. Clear? It has drawn the arrows in that direction, straight patterns. I click on the triangle. Again, press left mouse button and drag it in the forward direction, and now release the click and see what is displayed on the screen. Yes? Clear? Choosing the other one. Right? Now click on undo button. I hope lines tool and paint tool is clear to everyone. Now children, using these tools, we will draw a scenery. So first of all, click on brown color. Lines tool is already selected, and we'll select the first line style, the thin line. Now children, bring your mouse pointer over here. Press left mouse button and drag the mouse in the forward direction to draw a straight line. Now release the click. In this way, you will draw a straight line. Now bring your mouse pointer over here at the first point and press left mouse button and drag the mouse in this direction. Now release the click. Again, repeat the same process. In this way, children, we can draw mountains, right? Using the lines tool. Fine. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now, children, you can draw mountains with paint tool also. Let us see. First, click on undo. Now, bring your mouse pointer over here. First, you will choose paint tool. And now, bring your mouse pointer over here. The first point. Now, press left mouse button. And here, release the click and see. In this way, mountains will be drawn using the paint tool. Fine. Right? So we have drawn mountains with lines tool also and paint tool also. Now children, you can choose black color from the color palette. Bring your mouse pointer over here. And in this way, you can draw birds, right? Now, take yellow color. Bring your mouse pointer over here. You can draw sun. Now, children, choose blue color. Bring your mouse pointer over here. Press left mouse button and drag your mouse in this direction. And now release the click. In the same way, you can press left mouse button, drag your mouse and release the click like this. Okay. Now children, you can choose black color. Bring your mouse pointer over here. Yes. Now what we are going to draw? A boat. So children, here you can take lines tool. Draw a straight line like this. In this way. Now take paint tool. Join these two ends. Fine. In this way, you can draw a boat also. If any step you feel it's wrong, you can click on undo button. Now children, you can fill colors in your drawing. Choose brown color. Take fill tool. Fill it in the mountains. Now take yellow color. Fill it in the sun. Take blue color. Fill it here. Now take red color. In this way, you can fill colors according to your choice in your drawing. All right. Right. So children, I hope you all enjoyed this. Okay. Now, if you want to save the file, you will click on Save tool. It will be saved as a thumbnail. Now, to close TuxPaint, click on Quit tool. It will ask you, do you really want to quit? Click on Yes. So children, you enjoyed this practical, right? Now it's time for fun activity. So children, today you will practice the same tools which we have covered, and you will draw this scenery using paint tool and lines tool. All right. I hope all of you will revise this and draw it. Good. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe,